Hey dudes and chicks and neither, if those rules don't apply to you. My name is Katie and welcome to my channel, Makeup for Lost Time. Today I'm going to be doing a look in 5 minutes. Well, it's actually going to take me about 15 minutes because right now I'm future Katie talking to you in the past, so I already know what's going to happen. But yeah, so basically I'm going to give you guys a look, a 5-minute video on how to do a look for Valentine's Day that takes about 15 minutes. I'm using my Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. If you guys are interested in how I got this look and how simple it was and how easy it is for you to get a pretty glam look for Valentine's Day, then just keep watching. So I'm going to use my Zoeva 234. This is like my new favorite like lid shade brush. And I'm going to take the color Paradise and just pack that all over my lid. My eye's already primed with my P. Louise base in Room 02. I want to really make sure and get this into my crease. Make sure there's no bare spots. Actually, I'm going to go just above my crease with this. And barely just blend out that. Then I'm going to use that and just drag this same color along my lower lid. Then I'm going to take my Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush into the color Bliss. And I'm going 50% on that other color and 50% off. And I'm just going to blend out that outer line. Make sure it's good and blended, that the two colors go into one. Same thing, and I'm going to just take that along my lower lid. Just really smoke out that lower lash line. Now back with my Zoeva 234, I'm just going to pack on any color that I might have lost. Just really brighten that up. And then with no additional product, I'm just going to go back over this and blend out that edge. Pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my finger into the color Beam, and I'm just going to tap that on the highest point of my lid to just give it a little bit of dimension. Then I'm taking my Morphe M506 and I'm just going to go into the color Ecstasy quickly, and I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of that into the outer V. Okay. And taking my Zoeva 230 and going into the color Rapture for the inner corner highlight. Actually, I'm going to spray that with my Pacifica Mist Okay. I'm going to do my waterline, my lashes, my lips, and I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. It literally took me about 15 minutes to do this whole thing from start to finish. I wanted to show you that on this eye, I put the darker color, because honestly, altogether, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. And that I know that seems like a lot. And so the truth of it is, like, I put that in the outer V and I can really tell the difference, but I did on this eye without putting it in the outer V. And I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but the look can go without the outer V, the darker color in the outer V to give it dimension. So anyway, this is a quick and easy Valentine's Day look. And honestly, like, I did it with this palette, but you can assimilate this look with any palette. Like, you can take 2 colors, a satin and a matte, and you can make a look. And so I did this in 15 minutes. This is my 15-minute Valentine's Day look, and I gave it to you in 5 minutes. So on my lips, I'm wearing my Lime Crime Plushie in the shade Milk Tea. I'm wearing my Space Age highlighter, Kaleidos Makeup Space Age highlighter in the color Comet Catcher. And then, oh, so in my eyes, in my waterline, if you can see, I'm wearing my Inglot. It's like a nude pink color, and I'm wearing my Inglot in the shade 68. It's all cracked, but it's like an off-white. It's an off-white, and then I took my my NYX lip liner in the color Nude Suede Shoes, and I went over the top of it with it. So that's how I got this color. And yeah, I hope you guys find this useful. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I'm gonna add my dimension to the outer V when I get off camera, but I just wanted to show you that, like, these simple looks can really do without them. Like, honestly, I could have done without the shimmer on top too, but I just like to be extra. I could have literally went with the colors Paradise and Bliss, and it could have looked great. So, well, it needs an inner corner highlight. Like, I can't not have an inner corner highlight. So anyway, I use my Marc Jacobs Noir, and I actually use that on the top lashes and the bottom lashes. My Too Faced Better Than Sex is getting old as shit. And also thinking that maybe we're going to have to come up with a different brand besides Too Faced for my mascara. If anybody has any suggestions, let me know. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload. Like my video if you like this look. Yeah, you guys could have been anywhere, but you were here with me, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much.